I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup of your HP OfficeJet Pro 8023 all-in-one printer. So let's start with the unboxing. Once our printer is on, we have to go on the display panel to start the setup process. On the display panel, select the language you want to use for this printer and just confirm it. Select the country of residence. The next thing is to install the setup in cartridges, so just click OK. Now I'm going to show you how to install the setup in cartridges in this printer. For that, we simply remove the outer packaging. So you can cut it with the scissor. Make sure you also remove the seals which is here. So you just have to do like this. So that's here. Now we have to remove this orange cap. So you just have to twist it like this and do it for all of these ink cartridges. To install the setup ink cartridges, we have to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So push this side and ink cartridge chamber is below this. So you have to push it up from this place. You will see ink cartridge chamber here. Now to install the ink cartridges, simply match the alphabets and the color. So the black goes like this. So place it here until the nozzle goes there and press it down. It will lock here. Close the ink cartridge chamber door. Click OK. Load A4 size sheet in the paper tray. Adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheets here. Click on the continue button to do the print head alignment. Now we have to scan this page for the alignment. Open the top scanner lid. Place the page facing downwards on the upper left hand side corner and click on the scan button. Alignment is successful. Now we can click OK and go for further setup. On the next screen you will see it says get the HP software to do the setup. You can do that, or you can just simply skip it and just press this question mark. Next step is to click on the network setup. You can do the wireless setup now, or if you want to do it later, you can just click on the connect later button. Click OK. Once you click OK button, you will see the main screen of the printer and you can start the copy function. If you want to do the wireless printing and scanning, you have two options using printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi direct, or if you have a home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can use the Wi-Fi setup for that and add this printer in your device and start the wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.